Hi everyone, Craig here with Tops Knives. Today's overview is for the Fieldcraft by the Brothers of Bushcraft. And this is one of our best knives. What can I really say to do it justice? We've had a ton of success with this knife, and because of that we've released 2 new versions of it that I think a lot of you are really going to enjoy.
Okay, let's jump right in. The first new version is one that many of you have been asking for, the tumble finish. The wait for a Fieldcraft without a powder coat is officially over. A lot of bushcrafters like their knives without a coating because it can go through wood more cleanly and easily. And of course, it still has our famous modified Scandi grind, which really gives the bob a very sharp edge. The second new version is Coyote Tan. This sports a Coyote Tan Kydex sheath along with a Coyote Tan powder coat, which really looks great. We've also given it green canvas micarta handle scales as an added touch. Another difference that I'd like to point out between the 2 versions is handle thickness. The tan handles, whether on the tumble finish or on the original with the black traction coating, are going to be the thickest. But for those of us out there with smaller hands or that don't mind a thinner handle, the green handles, while thinner, will perform just as well. But keep in mind, the difference between the thickness of each handle is quite small. The specs between different models of the Brothers of Bushcraft are the same, with the exception of the different handle thicknesses. Each Brothers of Bushcraft comes with a Kydex sheath, Coyote Tan for that version, and black for all other versions. Our leather Bushcraft sheath is also a great fit for this knife. The blade length on the Brothers of Bushcraft is 4.5 inches, and the overall length is 10 inches. It's made of 1095 high carbon steel, which is differentially heat treated, and it has a thickness of 3/16 of an inch. So whether you're interested in the tumble finish or the Coyote Tan finish, you're definitely going to get a workhorse with the Fieldcraft by the Brothers of Bushcraft. Now let's get outside and use this thing some. What really makes the Fieldcraft a great knife is how well it performs. It's very easy to clean off the smaller branches from a stick that you plan to use for a tent peg, a spear, a walking stick, or any other use that you have in mind. You can do push cuts, you can do stop cuts. The modified Scandi grind allows you to make deep, long cuts, but you can also get in there and make some shallow, detailed cuts for woodworking or feather sticking. Although the Fieldcraft is not meant for chopping, we figured we'd give it a try just to see how it performed. Overall, this is one of the best knives you will ever own. So whichever version you like the best, don't wait any longer. It's time to order yours today. Thank you for taking the time to watch another one of our videos. Please like and share it, and then leave your comments down below. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and all those other social media websites. And as always, thank you for trusting Tops.